sitting by a mountain stream, watching water flow. The water doesn't fight the rocks, it flows around them. The mountain stands steady through every storm. Trees grow toward the light, giving freely without question. Nature teaches the Tao. Flow, don't force. Move like water with purpose, not struggle. Be present. A tree doesn't worry, it just grows. Embrace seasons. Life has its rhythms: growth, rest, and growth again. Give without holding back. The sun doesn't choose who to shine on. Stay rooted. Strong roots let you rise higher. Nature has mastered effortless living for millions of years. Let it guide you.